Hello.
Hello. And first of all, can I introduce myself here?
Yes, yes.
So my name
Introduce
is
yourself.
Rohit Prajapati, and I live in Mumbai. And I have completed my 12th HSC board. And after the 12th HSC board, I joined my ITI course, which is the trade of electrician. And but unfortunately, I want to learn English and I want to improve my skill because this is my skill and this is my interest as well. So I'm working on it.
You are working, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell me about you?
Yes, it's me. I am
Yeah.
from West Bengal and I'm a student. I just read in BA first semester. I'm English first student, okay. And I'm so fascinated of English language and my name is Mousumi.
Yeah.
Okay, that
And means when do you know about this is my passion?
actually I never realized that this is my passion, okay. I just got that I have interest to create
Okay.
these types of video. I have interest to gossip with friends. I have interest in English. Yes,
Okay.
I
In your
didn't realize that. Yes,
around your friends, anyone people is there available for conversation in English?
no, 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 no.
No one.
Even in my family, okay, I am the one who completed higher secondary exam.
Okay.
Yes,
Same applies to me here.
yes. But despite I am learning, yes, it's really pleasure moment.
Anyone people if show means look at you, then what they are thinking about you? Ki you are learning English. You know,
What?
means I want to say here when anyone people means third party person if know about you and look at you that you are learning English, then what is the expression in third party means anyone person, what is the reason?
Oh, nothing like that. Actually, our villager also know that I know English because, and their reaction. Okay, actually, one people. Okay, he is my villager. Okay, and
Okay.
he don't know English, and he has seen on YouTube. Okay, he had seen me. Okay, so that time he is telling me. Actually, I am coming at my home. I at that time I was on the way, and he was telling me that, hey, oh,
Yes, yes, yes.
and
They
after that
totally
he is
agree.
telling what is the meaning of this, tell me.
Yes, yes, they do.
Yes, yes, and he was trying to making me angry, but I was getting more love when he was doing like this.
Yeah.
Yes,
Unfortunately, the people found around us.
yes, yes,
So
it's
tell me
happened.
about anything. So tell me about anything about your village. What is the place?
What?
I want to know about you. What is the village side in your side? If I if I visited there, then what is the more means I want which
Special
is
things for
famous?
visiting.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So okay, let me finish. Actually, I don't have idea about that. Okay,
Okay,
because
okay,
I never go anywhere because I'm so early. Okay, and I just went to school and come home. I just go tuition and come home. Okay, and now I am going college and come home. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. I just went and sometime for marriage ceremony or another thing, I went to my relative's house. Okay, so I don't have idea about that.
okay.
Even I
And
also don't know.
have you visited in Mumbai?
No, no, no. I never go. As I
In
told
other
you, I just
countries, have you visited in
mm,
other places?
no, no, no. I
Okay,
never. Other place means
okay. And how do you learn English? Means how do you do practice?
Actually, actually, when I started my speaking English journey, okay, maybe 3 months ago, okay, I have started my speaking English journey, okay. But that time I was giving in speaking English 30 minutes every day. But nowadays I am giving 2 hours. Yes,
Okay.
because my interest is increasing more and more.
Yeah,
Yes,
and it is
that's why.
very grateful as well. And how do
What?
you learn modals?
What?
Modal auxiliaries.
Yes, actually, as I told you that I was reading when I was actually I have completed my all the grammar when I was read class 11.
Okay.
That time I knew all the structure of sentence, all the grammar. But despite, I knew I finished that time, class 11, I finished all the grammar. But despite, I never tried to speak. Okay, because that time I didn't get that types of environment. Okay, I didn't think that types of thinking was not coming in my mind. Okay, but after giving higher secondary exam, okay, when lockdown, okay,
Yeah.
so we are getting bored, we are so just sitting in the house, okay, so that time I try to communicate like this and I'm
Yeah.
enjoying
That time,
my life.
I was also started my English journey because I wanted to get bored that time. Then I realized I should learn English because this is the time for communicating with others.
Yes, as you teaching, okay, as you are a teacher, you are teaching in the YouTube, okay, English, so teaching part it's another, but speaking part it's another.
Another,
Yes.
yeah. Teaching part is more difficult from speaking part.
Yes, but if you think the so speaking part also another. Yes,
Yeah, speaking
actually,
part.
if you yes, yes, I mean if you not speak, okay, you know all the structure of sentence, you know all the grammar, but you
Yeah.
never speak. Okay, suppose you never speak. So when you will try to speak, okay, so automatically your mistake will happen. Despite
Yeah,
because you are not habituated to speaking English, that's why
yeah,
it will be. Yes,
it happens with me as well.
yes,
If
because
I
I
if
know
I
that.
read, yeah, if I started to reading that time, I don't know about any sentences formation. I got it, but any person talk about me, ki, please give me result of this sentence. What is the meaning of these sentences? I will give you, but if I try to speak with another person, then it is more difficult to explain.
Yes, yes, you are feeling hesitation, you are stugging,
Yeah,
but despite you are not habituate, that's why.
yeah.
Yes.
Like I'm fresher now for speaking.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, me too. I am also fresher. Yes.
Yeah.
So you can I mean remember that when we were child, okay, when people are child, okay,
Yeah.
so that time they are observing what they are talking, okay,
Yeah. They
they are
are
talking,
observing.
okay. After that they can understand. They can't
Yeah.
speak, but they can understand. So before speaking, we can understand. We
Understand.
were not able to speak, but
Yeah.
nowadays it's pleasure moment that we are talking, and
Because
that is the
it is language.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And this is a great opportunity of English that if you know English, so you can talk all the people who are living in the world. Yes,
Yeah.
that's why I
That's
like.
that's the reason I want to connect with the foreigners and other countries because it is a media now and it
Yes,
is a global language in our world. That is a more means it's a common language. You should learn about it.
yes.
Yeah. And what
So
is
what
your
about?
this?
What about you? How you learn speaking English from who? From when you started your speaking English
I
journey?
started my learning English about 1 month or 2 months ago. That time I started, but now I'm upgrading to myself because conversation and communication is the you should know about it because without communication, without conversation, you can't connect with other people because conversation, all the people recognize about you and they know about you. That
Yes,
is my opinion.
and we also get some knowledge from others. Yes,
Yeah.
we have another knowledge, they have another knowledge, and we are discussing it. Amazing, mind blowing, really.
This is very different process.
Yes. So, can you mention your last degree, whatever you completed?
No, I didn't get it. Please
I
tell
mean,
me again.
could you mention your last degree, whatever you completed?
Okay, I have completed my ITI course. This is my because I have completed only 12th HSC board, and after that I didn't
Oh,
get my graduation. I didn't complete my.
oh, because you did IT.
You know
I
what? You know what? I'm from commerce student, and I don't know about accounts. You know about accounts?
accounting. Yes, actually, I also don't have too much idea, but I watched that in YouTube. Okay, accounting. There
That
are
is the
many types of accounting.
yeah. In our 11th to 15th means graduation account subject, I don't understand. That's why I leave it. That's why
Oh,
I joined another course.
so what you are doing now?
I'm doing only now. I don't do anything because I want to
But you
improve my
completed,
skills.
but you completed your ITI degree. Oh my God,
No, but this is a technical course. It is a
that was private or government?
my college was private.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah,
If you did
because
that, okay, from government, so I think you will be
yeah,
another place now.
but online when I started my you know what when we get admission that time it is a process of online. That time I don't know about the government or private, but still when I was doing when I was studying that time I realized yeah private is not better because government they give opportunity in future.
Yes. Even maybe you heard about GNM nursing, BSc nursing. Okay, nursing. Also, lots of people going there. Okay, lots of students going for study private college. But after completed degree, okay, they are also sitting at the home
Yeah,
because of
but we
yes,
should work out on our skills and we
yes,
have
yes,
skills of
experience.
communication. Yeah,
Yes, yes.